In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the arc tool in Figma. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting an empty area on the canvas. Next, create an ellipse by selecting the ellipse tool or pressing O on your keyboard. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the ellipse. Once the ellipse is selected, you'll notice a small arc handle inside the shape. Click and drag this handle toward the center of the ellipse to convert the shape into an arc. After entering arc mode, additional handles will appear around the shape. Use the outer handle to adjust the size of the arc. Dragging it changes how much of the circle remains visible. Use the start and end angle handles to control where the arc begins and ends around the circle. To create a ring or donut style shape, drag the inner radius handle toward the center or outward. This adjusts the thickness of the arc. You can continue adjusting the arc, angles, and inner radius until you achieve the exact shape you need. Arc shapes are useful for creating pie charts, progress indicators, loading animations, circular graphs, and custom icons. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized an arc using Figma's arc tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.